Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET XRO. Today, man, I'm coming at y'all with a update on the account. You know what I'm saying? I know I ain't really make no videos. Like, it's been like 6 days since I made, well, 7 days now, because I'm not gonna upload this the day I'm recording this. But yeah, it's been a little minute, and I'm finna walk y'all through everything that has been going on, everything with going on with the account. You know, trading wise, all that other shit. So, hey man, if you ain't following me on IG, make sure to follow me on IG at METXRO. Just click the link in this. Fuck. Just click the link. Just click the link in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? You will find the trading Discord. You know what I'm saying? If you're in the trading Discord, go ahead and join that. It's free. You know what I'm saying? We got a trading section where we talk about, you know, what trades you're looking at for the day. We got a section where you can post your winning setups, your losing setups, you know, all that shit. Go join that. It's a whole vibe in there. We got around, like, I think 330 plus people in there. So hey man, go ahead and make it 331 plus. Come on. And while you down there, bro, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if you enjoy this video, or if you learned something from this video, or some of the sort, make sure to leave a like. You know what I'm saying? It help me out. So with all that being said, man, yeah, this last week, I'm recording this at 6:26 right now. You know, I was sick through like Friday, and I was sick, I think Wednesday through Friday. Well, I'm still just sick just a little bit, but you know, it's going away. But yeah, man, I was sick, and that's why I really wasn't uploading and trading all that much. Well, I was trading, but it just wasn't going my way. I'm gonna keep it buck with y'all on here. Like, y'all know I don't lie about shit. It is what it is. Now I'm still up on the account. You feel me? Like, but I definitely took some losses, and it's 100% my fault because I let distractions get in the way. I just wasn't focused at the end of the two. Cause I say yeah, and in the second week, that's when I really started like kind of like getting real iffy and shit. You know, not really trading the same way I was in the first 2 weeks. But we're gonna break all this down. So this first period, I think this is the first loss last week was GBP USD. And last week was rough for me. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sit up here and fake it. But let me sit on that. But yeah, man. This right here, I believe on this trade, everything was in confluence. You know, we had our supply drew up, and you know we waited for it to tap. But one of the things that I definitely shouldn't have did is on my supply and demand setups, I don't like to see the first candle that touch it create like a super long ass wick. But even if it did, I still could have prevented this loss just a little bit, or even cut it by getting in. So this first candle right here, it tapped in. That's the first candle. Second candle, definitely rejected, showing a good sign. The next candle would be, well, should have been my entry candle. I don't know why this was my entry candle. This shouldn't have even. I shouldn't even have been entered on this candle right here. My original entry should have been right here, but like I said, through the like last week and the week before that, I just let distractions hit, and then I just wasn't focused. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'll say, fuck, what the fuck was I trying to say? I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even. Alright now, bro. Mouth. We gotta do better. But I'm not gonna sit up here and lie to y'all and act like the market was just whack when it really wasn't. When most of the times I saw a setup, right, and at the time I wasn't either on my computer, or I just wasn't, you know, really mentally ready, to trade, and I missed that trade setup, and it would win, right? And then I'll look for another trade, and then that trade didn't win. You know what I'm saying? So I'll take the first trade I saw would be a winner, the second trade I saw would be a loser. That's really how a lot of the last 2 weeks was really going, and I just wasn't focused. I wasn't in my right mindset. You know, I'm gonna keep it up with y'all. Shit, it happens, bro. I'm not gonna sit up here and try to make a little sad story. It is what it is. So, like I said, originally our entry should have been right here on this candle. As soon as it broke below the candle that closed in the zone, stop loss just right above here. And as soon as it pushed down a lot, right, like this, and then like I said, if our original entry should have been right here, and then this next candle, I would have gotten out at break even, and then that would have been a loss prevented. Now, everything was in confluence with this trade, but it wasn't really trending the best. But even though all the things was in confluence, it wasn't really trending the best. But like I always say, man, if my stop loss does get hit, it tends to usually just keep going the other direction and not just fake me out. But that's the first trade. Next trade was a loss again. I'm telling you, bro, this week was rough for me. Like, it wasn't a bad weekend. It wasn't, the market wasn't it was just me, if that makes sense. I was just letting shit get in the way and just not really at my best. So because of the first 2 weeks, I believe at the first 2 weeks, I only had like 1 or 2 losses, and I was just literally just win after win after win, and I was doing everything I was supposed to. I was in my right mindset, not letting no distractions hit me, all that type of stuff. But after that second week, that's when shit really started hitting the fan, and I was like, I wasn't in my mindset. So this right here, we were above on all time frames, and I did happen to see that we did have some rejection right here, but I was like, you know what, I was trusting the higher time frames, but it just wasn't meant to be. It wasn't meant to be. Right here on this 3-minute entry on USD JPY, we had a nice little demand. So boom, we had this demand zone created. This candle, I believe right here, it did tap. I guess you could say just by a little bit, but it just barely tapped. Like, I'm talking about, it barely tapped. And then on the second candle, it pushed all the way down, just like what I'd see, and then it started breaking new highs, got in right here, and then boom, it went into profit a little bit, and then it aggressively just crashed down and hit my stop loss. Now, I'm trying to see like what, and then I don't know. After this losing trade, it just started doing all this, just crazy shit. It had this demand down here that was just, I don't know, bro. But I like I said, I take accountability for all my losses. You got to. I'm not finna just sit here and blame it on the market. Sometimes shit just doesn't play out, and sometimes it just wasn't the best setup. But it looked like a decent setup, but then again, it was really rejections up here, and I saw that it got rejected like 3 times. I look-key should have just took the sign about, okay, maybe I need to just relax and just trade another day. But I decided to stay in this. I decided to stay in the trade and take the loss. So another trade right here was on GJ. This is the 5-minute, and we had a pretty decent. Did I win this? I'm trying to see what they. Yeah, I mean, I got it marked up. Oh no, I didn't win. Okay. I was gonna say, did I win this? It looked like a good ass trade. So it was a good ass trade. I'm not gonna lie to you. Another demand setup, as you can tell. Boom, broke above, tapped in. This fresh candle was a beautiful, beautiful candle. And the next candle I happened to get in. Now you're probably wondering, it looked like the trade hit TP. Now it did hit TP, but I got stopped out before. And the reason is because it pushed up. I got in below here. Now originally when I got in, my stop loss, the candle, the end of the candle, the wick was right here, right? And then broke above, and then it went all the way back down again, created this new low in the candle, and it took me out. And I was like, okay, I'm not really, like, I was like, damn, okay, this must be a losing trade. Like, this must be finna continue melting down. But then it created a new low on the candle, and then just pushed right back up with hella bullish momentum, and then hit my take profit because I was targeting this supply zone just to get out the supply zone. But after I hit the supply zone, it fucking melted like shit. But one of the things I can say about this trade was I definitely shouldn't have taken this, and the reason because I mean, you could have took it, but it went against my rules, and that's one of the things about being disciplined with your strategy and all that. Once I put my stop loss, I don't really try to adjust it because I put it under the wick, and once it broke below the wick, I just got out. And this is a rare case that happens. It doesn't happen a lot where it breaks below my stop loss and then just keeps going, but it broke below my stop loss and then it just pushed right back up and hit my TP. Now that doesn't really happen a lot, And if it did happen a lot, I would definitely have to switch my strategy up. But this is just something that happens when it just happens, bro. So I'm not mad at my strategy for it. It's just unfortunate shit. But after I hit that supply zone, it melted. But another thing I guess I could have took in a play is that we're just barely above on a 5 minute. But I think we were high on all time frames, or either most. So I take it, like I said, I take accountability for my L's. You know what I'm saying? I'm not scared to. It is what it is. Now this wasn't a high probability setup. Like I said, I wasn't focused. I wasn't really trading the exact way I was supposed to. I wasn't trading how I was from the start. And I started getting like loose. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't really, on guard, and I wasn't really, staying as strict as I was supposed to. So, like I said, shit happens. You know what I'm saying? When you're not trading the way that you're supposed to, the way that you're supposed to trade, you gonna see what happens when you don't. You know what I'm saying? Stay strict and trade how you're supposed to trade. You know what I'm saying? And I was a victim to that. So, I believe, I was like, okay, we might be under the 5 minute, but I like, for some reason, I had like a strong feeling that we were gonna break above, and I just was like, man, I know, my original thing is being above the SMA on all time frames, but I tried to take one and try to get in early, and as you see, it didn't work. So it looked like a beautiful setup though, but the thing is, it looked like a beautiful supply and demand setup, but it wasn't aligning to everything that I like to see in the market, and I ended up getting it anyway. But you know what I'm saying, it would have played out good if it did continue to go up, but like I said, all my things were lined up, and I went against my rules. So nice demand zone right here. It broke above. I got in right here. And at first, once I saw this candle, I was like, okay, maybe we could break above. And then boom, we was in profit for a little bit, came back down to break even, and then came up a little bit again. And then once I saw this candle right here, we actually touched the zone for the second time. I was like, okay, this is gonna break through. And then it just hit it, started crashing. And I was like, okay. But then again, I saw another demand setup right here, this little demand zone right here. Probably wasn't the strongest, but it was something I was like, okay, maybe he wanted to just touch that zone, then go up, but that was not the case. So this setup right here, I definitely shouldn't have took, but you can't learn without losing. I mean, you can, but I feel like you learn more from a loss, and once you figure out why you lost and dissect the loss, it just makes you more structured to not want to take that setup again if you see it, because you know what has happened in the past. So I take that loss, I ate that shit to the chin. And this right here, this is a loss I took today, I believe. Yeah. This is a loss I took today. Yeah, it is the loss I took today. So I'm gonna just break this shit down. Another thing is we were up on all time frames. We're up on all time frames, but the price action just wasn't the best, and it was like late in the day. It was like 12 p.m. damn near almost 1 o'clock, right? So we had this demand zone drew up right here, nice candle reacting to it, and I was being patient. And now a lot of on my demand setups, on supply and demand setups, I don't like to see a huge candle tap the zone and then I get in. I like to see like a little decent, just like a little medium sized candle react to the zone, and then I get in after that candle. You know what I'm saying? And I thought to myself, I'm like you shouldn't be really getting in, because this is like huge momentum. But I was like, you know what? I kind of wanted to win real bad because I didn't trade today. And usually that doesn't really happen. I usually just be like, okay, bro, I missed the move, I move on. But I'm only have, I think, until Wednesday, so I only got 2 more days on the challenges. So I was just really just seeing what I could get, because just seeing what I could get. And I happen to lose, because I went against my rules again. Like I said, I don't like to see big candles react to the zone on my supply and demand setups, and this is exactly why. Now, got in right here. Stop loss got hit and it just melted below. So I don't know what to say. Like, it is what it is, bro. Like, I lost. If I lost, I lost, and I lost. So yeah, man. This is just, I usually don't really trade this late in the day anyway, so I can't be mad at the loss. I did two things that I really don't usually do, so hey man, it is what it is. And then this right here is another loss I took today, and like I said, I went against my rules, you know, just because I only got 2 days left. I was just trying to get in a trade, just to get in a trade, just to just bullshitting, bro. Just honestly, just bullshit. Like, I'm gonna just keep it a focus, y'all. It's bullshit, you know. So one thing, we wasn't even above the 5 minute. We wasn't above that 200 estimate of 5 minutes. So that's already a red flag. Like, why am I looking for that? Don't know. And like I said, got in on another big candle, and then like I said, it went into profit again. So a little bit, and then boom, rejected it. So the moral of the story, if I can give y'all anything, bro, like, just look, once you make up a trading plan and you winning so far on that trading plan, don't get loose on it or try new shit, because bro, at the end of the day, if it's working, why change new shit and why try new shit? You know what I'm saying? And I really feel like that's what happened with this challenge. One of the biggest things is I didn't trade for a whole week. And I guess I'm going to say, for one, the reason I didn't trade for a whole week is because I didn't really see my setups occurring. But then again, I also was being distracted by certain shit. So I couldn't dedicate more time to make sure that, you know, I wasn't, my setups wasn't occurring. And then just going against your rules and just getting sloppy with shit. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't staying focused like I should have been. Because when I was taking the challenge in the first 2 weeks, I was killing shit. I was like 4-1, and the loss I took was just like a loss that it was it could have been easily prevented, but it wasn't. But as you saw, the more and more the challenge went, the more and more less focused I got, the more and more distracted I got, and this is what happened. So the challenge isn't over yet, but I know for a fact that I'm definitely gonna have to double back on this shit, because I know for a fact I can pass this shit. It's just I just got distracted, and I'm not gonna sit up here and blame it on the market. I can't blame it on my strategy. I just gotta blame it on me and shit. This don't hurt me too bad though. I'm not gonna lie to you. I know a lot of people, they fail challenges and shit, but like, and they take it to heart. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't really take this to heart, because I know what I'm capable of, and I know, like, once I cut out them distractions, and once I just like really make sure I'm focused every single day, I hop on the charts, I can pass this shit. And that's why I'm not really too hurt about it. But hey man, if y'all like, I don't think I'm really gonna make another series and try to redocument me taking the challenge again, unless y'all really want me to. So if you want me to, just let me know. But I wasn't really planning on it, so I was just gonna continue to drop live and trade videos, and then maybe just update as y'all go, but not update it every single day, every single week. But y'all gonna know though. Y'all gonna know, you know, every now and then. You feel me? So hey man, this is just really all what it is. Y'all know me. I keep shit real. I keep shit 100. I take fault for everything that I should have, and I just don't like to make bullshit excuses, because I feel like if you make bullshit excuses, you're gonna get bullshit results all the time. So, you know, I just take accountability. I realize what the fuck I did, and then it'd be like, hey bro, it is what it is. Just next time, just tighten the fuck up. Simple as that. So I'm just blunt on this channel, bro. I just keep, like I said, I keep shit real. I don't like to try to make myself feel good about certain shit. Now this is a long video because I feel like somebody out there really need to hear this. You know what I'm saying? Really need to hear this, and really need to pay attention and lock in and really just think like, yo, I'm not getting the results I want to. And like, deep down inside, you know you're distracted, but you don't wanna accept this. So just accept this shit, bounce back, just back test, cut out all the distractions, and just lock in, bro. That's all I really got to say. Hey man, it's METXRO, and yeah man, I'm gonna see you on the next video.